Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will see the 3D printing procedure of this pattern. This is the logo of our Marwadi University and we are going to print it from the Ender 3 3D printer, right? So I have a ready-made CAD model of this pattern, so no need to do any CAD model. I have just opened this CAD model, or we can say STL file, in this Ultimaker Cura software, right? I've already set the 3D printer Ender 3, Clarity Ender 3 is over here. And here is the specification of this printer, right? The material I am going to use, that is a PLA. Few more changes that we are going to do over here, perform over here. Over here, the quality, it's actually pattern. So we will go for some fine quality and wall thickness and all these things, let it be as it is, right? Infill density 20%, that is enough because we don't need any much strength. The printing temperature, that is a 200, that is sufficient for the PL, actually too much. And here I will keep the uh, plate temperature, or we can say bed temperature for this printer 65 degree, so that it can stick the first layer properly. Printing, that is a 50 per second, so we'll get the better quality. Right, and no need to change any more settings. Support, there is no any equipment which is required support in this component. So we can just ready for the print. So next thing is what? We need to click on the slice. We can directly save this notepad file in the memory card, and we can insert the memory card to the 3D printer, right? So let us see the slicing, how the slicing is happens over here. We can see the preview also from here. Here it is the preview of this component, how it is going to be completed. So let us see from the first step. This is the step number 1. If I play over here, it is going to represent the first layer, right? So here it is the outskirt. First of all, it is going to create the skirt of this example at the outside. Then after it is going to create the first layer over here. Let me just fast forward it. So this is the first layer, and similarly it is going to create the 6th layer. Then after, infill density is 20, so here it is the infill density, that is a 20%, right? And this is the entire preview of this logo. And finally I am going to save this thing on the disk and we will print it.
Okay, so here is our Ender 3 3D printer, and I am going to print that logo. So I am inserting the memory card in which we have just saved the program. Let me insert it properly. It's not working. Now we can observe the memory card over here by clicking on the initiate TF card. So print from TF, and here is the MU logo. So by clicking over here, it is going to start the heat up the bed, and then after it is going to heat up the extruder. So once the heating is done, it is going to start the printing. So now the printing is going to be start. It is going to form one first layer, and the first layer is okay. Then the printing is going to be completed successfully. If the first layer is not going to stick properly on this bed, at that time we have to just recalibrate the printer. And how to calibrate the printer, I will just explain in another video. So this is the printing, and you know the printing time is actually more than near about 2 hours, and I know that you don't want to watch this video for 2 hours, so I will just update in process regarding the printing. So I think the first layer is ticked properly. So let it do it. So this is the final logo which we just print in the Ender 3 3D printer.